So it's going to be a mix beauty haul from Purple, Amazon, and Flipkart. So let's get started. So if you're new to this channel, hi, this is Anshu. I create content around beauty and affordable makeup, skincare, fashion. So if anything of that sort interests you, please consider subscribing. Like, share, subscribe, and now without further ado, let's get started. Okay, so I have a bunch of new launches. So first is this one, and I have already unboxed everything. So this is the matte love range by Mars. So basically, I don't know, we have this matinee range, and with this packaging, okay, but the similar shades was on Flipkart, and this new flirt is in matinee range also, and every shade was in this range. So I'm confused, so I bought this one, and this one is more cute because it has heart. To be honest, I like this packaging, very cute. And this is the shade Nude Flirt, and it's a very pretty nude. See, it's a very pretty nude, and I'm going to do a whole review, a whole video about these new Mars lipstick. I don't know why they launched same shades in two lipstick with two different packaging. This is rose gold, this is gold, and literally same shades with 100 rupees difference. I don't know why they did this. And yeah, and if you want to save some bucks, and plus this packaging I like a tad bit more because of heart, obviously. So both of the packaging are very cute, to be honest. I am a huge Mars fan. They know how to make beautiful makeup which is very affordable. It's a very matte lipstick, so it says matte love. So as you can see, it's a warm tone, a brown nude. It's a very pretty shade. I love it. It's a very pretty shade, and the formula is also nice. I'm going to do an in-depth review, so you have to stay tuned for my whole review. Okay, another thing from Flipkart, you guys, the Mars I Belong in Your Purse range has a new sibling, we can say. So we have all the different I Belong in Your Purse eyeshadows. Now we have the cheek palette. It is so freaking cute, and I was like, I saw no review, and the Mars is a brand which I trust. Okay, so that's why I bought it. And I thought this would be a contour, blush, and bronzer situation, blush and highlighter situation. It says on the Flipkart website as well. The blush is a very pretty mauve. I have to get the mauve one. And first of all, when you will open, it has a baby baby powder sort of, baby talcum powder sort of smell. This is the blush, very pretty mauvey blush. So this is a bronzer, and I think it's a very pretty neutral tone bronzer. You can see it does not have any warm tone and not cool tone. I think it's a very neutral tone bronzer. And this is the highlighter. So yeah, I'm going to swatch it, and this looking very promising, and I have to test this out, and I will do maybe full face first impression. Again, it comes with a mirror which is not that good. Maybe it has some plastic film, otherwise it is blur. I'm telling you, it's not supremely high quality mirror, but the I Belong in Your Purse range mirror was really good. So it has some plastic film or something. I don't know why it is blur. The mirror is not very high quality, but it's a very big mirror. You can see your full face. Yeah, I can clearly see my full face. So it's a very travel friendly, I would say. And with this, you can do your eye makeup as well, you know. And yeah, it's a very cute. And just for reference, so this is the I Belong in Your Purse cheek palette, okay, and this is the eyeshadow, and you can see the comparison. It's a tad bit big, not too big, but a tad big, bit big. That's a mouthful. So yeah, a little bit big from the shadow. And yeah, I know why they made this not the similar packaging. They could have used the same component, but kya hota if they would have used the eyeshadow one, it would be really small. Now I can dip my blush brush, bronzer, highlighter brush perfectly. It's not that's why I liked it. I like the fact that they did not use the same component. It's like iska bada bhai. It's very cute. I really like it. I really like it. The blush is not too pigmented. I don't like pigmented blushes. Bronzer is very neutral, and highlighter is very pretty. I like the highlighter. It's sort of champagne shade. I like it. And Mars, I love Mars. I'm a huge Mars fan. I'm going to give you a heads up. When you will open it, you can sniff that baby powder sort of smell, which is not irritating, so it's okay. I don't mind it, but if you mind some fragrance in your makeup, it's a very cute fragrance, I would say. I don't mind it. Okay, so next I have just one thing from Colorlessness. So, and So we have this Color Essence bronzer, and look at that, they send me this cutesy card. It says your Amazon order made our day, which is so cute. Brand doing so much, and from Amazon I bought it. And iska na, it's a Color Essence, basically it's wrapped by Color Essence itself. And I really like the fact that it says Color Essence here itself. So I really like the fact it's giving a personal touch, which, like, your Amazon purchase made our day. So cute. And yeah, the sticker, it says rate us. So yeah, it's a very good bronzer, by the way. I'm going to again do a full face first impression. I did today, but I was not able to test out everything. Okay. So the Color Essence matte sculpting bronzer, it says. And let me just show you, this is the component, and it has freaking 10 grams. So if you are a project planner, you can use this. Maybe in 2-3 years, if you will continuously every day use it, this will get finished in 3 years maybe. So this is the bronzer, a very pretty bronzer. And yeah, you can sniff some fragrance again with this one also. So this one was 300 and something. The Mars palette price I will check. Prices I will mention here. Prices, quantity, everything, shade will be mentioned here. Okay. By the way, the Mars cheek palette shade was shade 2, and I think it's called Ice Break or something. So yeah, I will mention everything else. It says 2 here. And the Color Essence bronzer just come in one shade, which is a drawback. Seriously, one shade of bronzer, but the bronzer is very cute. It's very promising. It's not too pigmented, and it's a perfect bronzer for me. And if you have fair to medium complexion, you can go for it. Okay. Shade range of this bronzer, it comes with one shade, so I don't know, I don't think so this will show on deeper complexion. That's that. Otherwise, it's a very pretty bronzer, but drugstore brands don't make shades. Okay, now moving on to a cream contour that I bought. So I have a cream, no, liquid. So this is the Inside concealer, HD concealer, dicto copy of LA Girl concealer again. And I have seen so many copies of it. And Mars one is a very, very good dupe, I would say. And Inside one, I bought this shade for cream contour because I have saw Prakriti using this as a contour, and I saw somebody else also. So I was like, let's just try. And it comes with similar packaging, is dicto same. And this is the contour, a very pretty contour. So this will show up on deeper, slightly medium tanner complexion. See, for me it's a little too deep, you can see. And it once I blend this, when it's just blends in seconds, you guys, it's so blendable. I love the blendability of this. This one 160 rupees when I bought it. I was like, wow, 166. So I was like, what? And it is very blendable, very beautiful. And if you want your cream contour, if you want your contour to stay, first you can try this contour, then use the powder one. That way it will be very long wearing. Love it, love it. I have already tried this in one video, and I'm so impressed, the blendability and everything about this. And yeah, the shade range is 6 shades or something. So what to say about that, but the product is very good. So if you want affordable liquid contour, you can go for it. Okay, now from Nybay I have this. So this is, first of all, the Nybay packaging is so pretty. I'm like, should I keep the packaging? It's so pretty cute. And so this, I saw Arnakshi using it, and I was like, I want it. I have never tried Crayon eyeshadows, and I was like, they are so expensive. Come on, it's not coming out. Why? Come on, come out. So yeah, finally it is out. So this is a very pretty shade. It is my dream. Okay, my dream in a pencil. I love lilacs, mauve. Purple is my shade. I love purple so much. And this is a very pretty lilac. Oh my god, it's so cute. I will do a review with, I can do a look with it. Just look at it. It's so dang good. I have never ever seen any other drugstore having a lilac lavender sort of crayon, and I was like, oh, I think Lakme have it, but it's not that pigmented. It is super pigmented. I'm telling you, it is very, very visible. And such pastel shades on deeper complexion, on medium tanner complexion, they cannot, sometimes they lack luster, but this pack a punch, you can see it's very pretty. So if you want a kajal or a eyeshadow of this color, you can go for it, and I will definitely do a review. You can just take it, smudge it, and you're good to go. Very pretty. I love it. And it's a very tiny pencil, but this will last you. Trust me, you're not going to use such shade on everyday basis. So I think this much is more than enough. Okay, somebody like me who want to use every day a lilac and mauve, I can still say that this is going to last for a really long time. Okay, that's that. Now we have the glosses. So these are the Nybay glosses. These were in transit. Same with the crayon. So yeah, I am in love. They are so cute, so adorable. Look at the packaging. It is so cute, and I mean the shades are so pretty. So I'm going to swatch for Speech Day. And yeah, Speech Day, it's a very pretty peachy color, and I think I will use this more in summer. And then we have Nude Longen. I don't know how to pronounce it. So this is a very sheer gloss. Yeah, it's a sheer gloss with a peachy goldeny reflexes. Wow, wow. This you can throw with on top of any lipstick, or you can use it as it is also. It is, dang, it's a shimmery one. Others don't have shimmers. It has slight shimmers. If you are into that, only try it. Plus you can use these as eye glosses also. So that's pretty much it for this video, and I hope this will be the last haul, at least for this month. And I think I should follow the no buy. Okay, low buy. So yeah, these were the all new launches. I hope I'm not forgetting anything. So yeah, these were all the newly launched products that I wanted to try, so I bought them. And I will definitely do individual videos on Mars lipstick and Nybay glosses. Others you will and yeah, I'm thinking about doing a different video just for this, reviewing this mini 5-minute video. And yeah, that's pretty much it for this video. I hope you like this. If you want individual videos, you can definitely comment down below. And yeah, I hope you like this video. If you do, please do not forget to like, subscribe, share, and I shall see you in the next one. Bye.